video yesterday?
Yes.
Yeah.
Aiden, you better be watching.
He ain't watching.
I know. Probably eating Cheetos and taking a nap at a stock show.
No, there's some random person that's watching these and they just are gonna see this. Aiden, you better be watching. Who's Aiden?
Okay, anyhow, so yesterday we talked about Gideon versus Wainwright. This is the one you need to know. It means you have a right to an attorney. Some of us poor folk cannot afford an attorney, so you're in luck, because if you can't afford one, they will give you one. Do you think it will be a great attorney? Probably not, but you still get one, okay? Then that leads us to talk about the Miranda rights, 5th and 6th Amendment. So the court case that you need to know is Miranda versus Arizona. Essentially what this says is if you are arrested for a crime, the police have to tell you, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you can and say, can't do or say, whatever, can and will be used against you in a court of law, and you have a right to an attorney. If you can't afford one, we'll give you one. Okay? They have to tell you those rights because apparently this one guy got arrested. He essentially confessed to the crime. And when they went to court to, prosecute him for it, he was like, well, I didn't know that if I said anything, they could use it against me. And first of all, I'm like, how stupid are you? But second of all, the Supreme Court, they sided with him. They were like, listen, everybody may not know that they do have the right to be quiet. You don't have to answer a question just because they ask it. Okay? So that's why we have Miranda versus Arizona. All the police, they have to say this before they arrest you, or while they arrest you. Then we have separation of church and state, and this just means like here at a public school, we cannot force religion on you. Like we have FCA, we had FCA today at lunch, and that's fine, and teachers can go to it and things like that, students can go to it, but you are not supposed to have like a teacher require somebody to say, like if I stood up here and I said, okay, everybody pray, and Alonzo's like, I don't want to pray. I'm like, Alonzo, you're going to pray, or I'm sending you to ISD.
Alonzo's Catholic.
Oh, I mean, that's cool. But anyhow, let's say Alonzo, maybe he's mad at God today and he doesn't want to pray. So Alonzo's like, no, I'm not doing it. So I send him to ISD. I can get in trouble for that because Abington versus Schimpf, it said you have to take religion out of schools. Now, if you guys want to pray in school, you can. But it's not really supposed to be led by a teacher or a school official, okay? Because then you can get in trouble. All right. Aiden, I hope you enjoyed that.